welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So we are in Ulta Beauty, and I just wanted to take a look at some of the makeup. So they have externals, marble. I'm not gonna touch everything, but you guys see the little eye palette. And look at how cute this is. Sour Patch Kids times Morphie. This palette is $22. Is this a fixed spray? Watermelon slice, Morphie. Tester. Broom Fixier. I'm not sure, what is it? Oh yes, it's a setting mist. That is so cute. The Morphie, the sponge sets were here, but they're all sold out. Watermelon slice. Okay, that's just the packaging. Look how cute this looks. Morphie, Sour Patch Kids. The Morphie lip gloss. Oh look, these are 10. The lip gloss is 10. The blue raspberry, red berry, Morphie times Sour Patch lip scrubs. These are 10. Oh, that's so cute. I think I'm gonna go back and show you guys the palette. So then they have the Color Pop, Hocus Pocus by Disney, Tonight We Fly, Hello Boys, Calming Circle. They don't have any testers out for this one, but it's cute packaging for the palette. It says 300 years, All Hallow Eve, Moon is Bond, Summon Us Under the Ground, Bubble Bubble, Twist the Bone, Circle of Salt, Green Knoll, New Potion, Life Potion, Hello Billy, Fur Black as Black. And they have these cute little setting powders. I don't see the price on those, but this is so pretty. Sonic Bloom. The palette is 18. The lip gloss stains are 8. Color sticks are 7, and the Cheek Dew Serum Blush is 7. They already have out little gift packs for Christmas. Hot for the holidays, 30, but it's worth 69. The Pore Facial, Hula Benefit, and something else. That's pretty. And they have all of these. Beauty Sleigh Bells. This is a bigger one. Suggested retail $112, but it's $50. The store's so quiet. Welcome to Stars Hollow, Ulta Beauty times Gilmore Girls. Let's see, I saw, this is what I was looking at. I was like, look at that. The Simpsons Revolution Makeup, Revolution London, Treehouse of Horror. And they have the Gel Slime Lip Mask, Candy Apple. This is $8. Witch March. The, what is this? Treehouse Horror Gel Liner. They don't have any testers out. Gel liner. Lip gloss. It says Do Not Head Homer, Vampire, Mr. Burns, Devil, Flanders. Is this a fixed spray? Primer base. The Simpsons Revolution. This is the palettes on the inside of it. Okay, these are the palettes on the back of this one. Mini Shadow Palette. Alien Maggie. Bart. The Raven Bart. And this palette. Oh, slipping straight out of my hand. And this is how it looks on the back. Okay, I was just getting ready to say I don't see the prices, but this palette is $25. And I have a little makeup bag for $18. Cute little makeup brushes. Brush set. That's $25. And a cute little beauty blender. Makeup sponge. This is $8. Little Halloween costume completers. Cute little headbands. And the cute little nails. Look at that. Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine. Expression. Little nail stickers. New bronze and blush collection. Juvia's Place. Oh, that's really cute. These are $20. This is actually how they have the testers now. I guess you can't really try it on. Bronze collection. And the pink collection. Blush. Halloween starts here. The pore filler, the palette. That's cute. I don't know, I want to mess this up. I think it says absent the. I think. And I still think I said it wrong. The cute colors. These are 8. No, these are 15. Little lip poppers on the side were 8, but they're all gone. Ghost pepper and nightshade. They have some of the lashes here too. These are $6.99. And lash glue is $9.99. By Kiss. They always bring out the color stains every year. What are these? Punky color. And that's grapefruit scented candle. They have grapefruit, ocean mist, and sea salt, and bamboo. Iced pumpkin. These are $20. I wonder how they smell. I'm not gonna smell them. Sparkling leaves, toasted fireside, iced pumpkin, pumpkin spice. Hemp's pumpkin spice and vanilla chai limited edition. This is cute. They have the herbal body moisturizer, the big one and the little one, and a little hand cream. I know these aren't new, but they have the Kylie Jenner makeup 8-hour matte lasting finish, and they have the matte lips. I just stopped over here because this looks so cute the way they have it. A plump extreme maximum. The Too Faced section. But I am gonna get out of here now. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, shopping with me and Ulta. I just wanted to check out some of the new end caps. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I see you in the next shopping trip. What's this? Kitty likes. You know what I also saw? Too Faced Fire. I also saw Doja Cat, but I didn't see it in here. Her makeup collection online, but I don't see it in here.